want to show you how easy it is to fix this. So I use a super silicone seal, in this case black, and I use fleece. So the fleece is a polyester fleece, and cut it to size, somewhere there. Cut it to size. Alright. And then I do a coat of super silicone.
Be careful.
There you go. Give me the screwdriver, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Make sure I stir it up. Okay. All right, now, very simple. Let me show you. See that? Right. It's dirty. You see the square there? That's where this patch came out. I cut it out last week. Okay, and then I just patched it again. So let me show you. Watch this. Look. Look how it stretches. Unbelievable. It stretched with the material. Look how it sticks. Look, it's stuck. You see this thin EPDM black? You see the black, thin EPDM, and then you see the white? That's the silicone seal. Look at it. You cannot tear it up. You cannot tear it up. This is unbelievable. You just paint the coat